Hi, this is Sylvia with FuseRI, and I'm going to show you Google Forms today. So Google Forms is located in your Drive, which is drive.google.com, and I'm going to show you an example form. I'm going to show you an example form that I did with my students, Google Power Search Test. You'll notice there's different types of questions. Fill in the blank, multiple choice, and scale. You notice here at the bottom that you can see progress as you go through the test. You can embed images. Here I did some search challenges. Search Google Images for poison ivy. And here you can use the multiple choice boxes to check as many boxes as you like. The challenges get more difficult as you progress. After you submit, you see here there's an option to let students submit another response, or you can control whether they can see their responses. Let's go to create your own Google form. So the first thing you want to do is give a title to your form. Let's call this a test. Now, as you may know, Google Forms is a way to collect input. It can be the form of a test, a quiz, it could be soliciting comments from students or teachers, it could be something like an AV equipment sign-out form. There's a lot of different uses for Google Forms. At the top you'll see the form settings. You can collapse that if you'd like. This shows the progress bar. These question marks give you more information. If you want to require a login, use this. If you want the questions to shuffle, choose this. And although it says that the questions will shuffle only within each page, I've sometimes found that to not be the case. Next, you begin creating your questions. You can start with an easy one, like you can add some help text and choose text box. This clicks to require the question. This is to edit it once you're done. Duplicate or delete the question. I'm going to click done. Next, I'll add another question. We'll make this another very easy quiz. This is if you'd like to have a numbers or type of data that you enter. Now I'm going to make another page. So this page was actually just basic info. Next, I'll create a second page with a page break where the test really begins. And you'll see there's a little page break here. Now I can begin adding items. If you want, you can also embed an image or a video here. Scale or grid, time or date stamp. There's a lot of options. When you're done, you'll click Send Form. These options allow you to decide who can see the form and how. This is what the student or whoever is filling in the form will see. That makes it public so anyone can see it. And I think I'll let them see their answers here. And so I click Send Form, which is also located up here. And here, there's different ways to share. You can share by cut and paste, short URL, Google+, Facebook, or Twitter, or you can also add privileges to the form through email by adding collaborators. Here, you would type the name or email of the person that you want to collaborate with and click Done. you'd have to change the privacy for each person. I'm set as the owner, but when another email pops up, I'll put another email of mine in, you can use this button to choose whether they can edit or just view the form or what they can do with it. And so if I click send, I'll get a notification for this in my other email. I can also click this to send a copy to myself, just to double check that everything I did was correct. When you go to your drive, you'll see your new form up here. This is the responses. Now, there's no responses because I just made this test, but I can open another response. And here you can see some of the responses from a placement test I did with my students. I put conditional formatting in so that I can see at a glance who had a lot of answers wrong in red and who had most of them right in green. Now, if you want, you can also install some add-ins, like Flubberoo. Flubberoo will grade the assignment for you, and another Fuse Fellow will explain how to use this add-on in a video. For now, that's all I have to teach you about Google Forms and responses. I hope this video has been instructional, and I hope you get a lot of use out of it.